Okay, this unboxing is long overdue. I bought this too a few months ago, but I haven't really gotten around to open them for some reason. And so, yeah, I don't really know. I've been busy with life and work. All right, let's crack this one first. This is of course, the Mini GT Toyota Supra VeilSide Combat 7 in Combat Gray. Here's the back of the box with all the licenses. And to be honest, at first I wasn't really sold on this casting when I saw the samples, and I didn't really like the color in particular. It's kind of like a champagne, I guess, gray or gold. It's not really gold, but like a light silver, light gray. It's kind of like in between. So when I saw the casting, or when I saw the samples, I didn't really feel the need to pick this up right away. But then I saw a couple of photos on Instagram and then videos on YouTube, and I noticed the paint is really good. And so I went ahead and picked this up, and along with the R32. And as you can see here, see if I can focus here a little bit, the paint is really good. And my other concern are the wheels. I thought in some of the photos that I've seen, they look too chrome or shiny for my taste. So that's why I didn't, really pick it up right away. And then, in hand, they are shiny, but not that chromy, if you know what I'm saying. So I think it's a perfect blend of shine and then chrome. So it doesn't look cheap in hand. And of course, the wheels are proportioned. It's really, what you expect from Mini GT. So let's go ahead and take a look. But so far, I haven't seen any QC issues, and that's really the first thing I check. The mirrors are intact. Headlamps, the wing, not crooked, and tailpipe is there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this model. As you can see on the bottom right here, you'll see the VeilSide decals with the white stripe and a gray stripe. So it kind of blends with this paint. Again, the color is Combat Gray. So now that I have this in hand, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of this color now. So, and again, going back to the wheels, you got your 5 spokes wheels, and of course the wheels really roll, as you might expect from Mini GT. Looking at the front, you can see the intercooler there in the middle, and some venting on both sides, the left and the right. Headlamps look good. They're acrylic, and there's some details inside, which is, I think it's accurate. Got the side markers, turning signals on both sides, and the lip. And actually, this VeilSide kit is actually really nice. I really like the front end. You get that aggressive look, but not too much, at least in my opinion. And then on the bonnet, you can see in the middle there's a vent. There's some venting there, and then on the left here, you have some small venting on both sides, drivers and the passenger side. The mirrors are rubber, and you don't really want to press hard on that because they tend to break. They're quite fragile, but at least this one is the whole mirror is actually attached to the A-pillar, which is good because some of them have like very thin stem, so they tend to break easily. But this one, not so much. Looking at the passenger side, yeah, same with the driver's side. This one has some venting in the back here. It's part of the VeilSide kit, and then the VeilSide decals. And then there's a tiny scripting there that I can't quite read. I took a closer look, so it does say here that it's a combat. So I guess that's for the combat gray. I don't know. But yeah, it does say combat. Yeah, like I said, there's some venting here. It's probably some air intake on both sides. So, and then on the back, you'll see the nice acrylic taillights with some details inside. So that's always a nice touch. Because if you can do it this way, if you can do acrylic with some details inside, you go ahead and do it. So to me, if some companies, because I know some companies, go the easy route and then just paint them, which it looks tacky if you ask me. And continuing on the wing here, got the VeilSide wing. It's not too high. It's just perfect height for this car in my opinion. And the tailpipe is painted silver. It looks nice, nothing too crazy. And on the bottom, you see some the Mini GT branding up here, and then of course the car info right here. Yeah, and again, Mini GT metal base. So the interior, it's a left-hand drive. I opted for the left-hand drive. I think you can get this in right-hand drive, but you have to pick this up overseas. So, and yeah, the interior is just plain black. Nothing crazy there. Bucket seats, of course. But yeah, I'm very happy with this model. If I'm being honest, I wasn't really expecting that I'm going to like this car with this kit. With VeilSide, it's very tricky. I don't love all of them, but this particular kit on a Supra is actually really, really nice, and with this color, so very happy with this. So let's park this guy here right next to the R35 and let's crack this one open. This one is the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 VeilSide Combat C1 in combat gray. So same color, different car. It's the R32. Again, I have some concern with those wheels. On the photo, it looks very shiny and chromy, which is not a fan of, but we'll see. Okay. You still got the 5-spoke wheels. It's very detailed, which is a plus. As for the casting, it's still, again, this is top tier if you ask me. Got the VeilSide kit, the VeilSide decals with the striping, the white, light gray, and gray striping on the side. I think it's a cool touch. And then check out this lip right here. Look at that. The front lip looks really cool, and again, similar to the Mark IV VeilSide, you can see the intercooler in the middle, and then you get some venting on both sides. For the aero, and this one doesn't have the GTR or the Nissan badging in front, which is cool. It's the VeilSide version, so it's heavily modded. And on the bonnet, no venting this time. And then the side mirrors are attached to the A-pillar, which is cool. Doesn't have like a long stem like the other Mini GT, as I mentioned before. So it's a little bit durable compared to others. And headlamps, it's okay. You can't really see the details. If you zoom in, this one's actually kind of cloudy for some reason if you compare it to this one. So I've seen that before in other Mini GT models, which is unfortunate, but it doesn't look too bad if you ask me. It's fine. On the driver's side, you got the VeilSide here, VeilSide decals, and on the back we have the acrylic taillights. I love acrylic taillights and headlamps. It actually, it elevates the model. It doesn't scream lazy, when they do that. And of course, I believe this is some badging, VeilSide badging in the corner. Let's see if I can shine a light on that one. But yeah, it's there somewhere. And then the VeilSide plate with the silver exhaust. It's painted, it's not metal or anything. Let me fix this tire here. And then on the bottom is metal base with the car info, and then of course the Mini GT logo. So both of these are, if you ask me, are worth buying. So if you haven't gotten this two yet, go ahead and buy them. Like it's kind of hard to explain. Like I hope I'm giving these two cars justice in the video, but like they're just so different when you hold them. Like they're incredible. The casting's really, really good. The paint is absolutely great, and the chrome, you know, I can live with the chrome wheels, to be honest. I'm sure I'm gonna like it later on, the more I hold these two and look at them. So yeah, so if you don't have it yet, go ahead and pick them up. And now I'm excited. I don't know if if Mini GT is gonna do more VeilSide models or cars with VeilSide kits. Now I'm excited. Now I want them to do the RX-7 with VeilSide. I know Tarmac's doing that, but I want Mini GT to take a stab at it, because yeah, these two, they're probably my favorite right now. Mini GT. Yeah, it's just really good, guys. So yeah, these two, absolutely great, if you ask me. So I haven't picked them up, pick it up. Hopefully they're not too expensive right now with all the tariffs and stuff. But yeah, get them. And let me know what you think in the comments down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.